Meet Jane and Katie. They both owe $300,000 on a 30-year mortgage with the same interest rate and the same monthly payment. They have the same exact debts, the same monthly expenses, and they both earn the same amount of money. Everything's the same. Weird. But Jane knows about something that Katie doesn't. Jane is taking advantage of a smart online program that helps consumers pay off all their debt, including up to a 30-year mortgage in as little as 5 to 7 years, without changing their current budget. And on top of that, this program helps consumers to convert the money they save into wealth. Thanks to this program, called the Money Max account, Jane will now have all of her debt, including her 30-year mortgage, paid off in as little as 5 years, which is 25 years sooner than Katie. And Jane is going to save over $144,000 in interest, compared to how much Katie's going to pay on the same exact mortgage. And thanks to the money that Jane no longer has to pay toward debt, this program could assist Jane in potentially accumulating over $1 million in wealth in far less time than it will take Katie to pay off her 30-year mortgage on her own. So while Katie is paying mortgage interest, Jane's building a huge nest egg. While Katie's mortgage payment is taking a big chunk out of her monthly budget, Jane's eliminated her mortgage and all the rest of her debt in as little as 5 years. And while Jane's thinking about all the ways she might spend the possible $1 million in wealth she can now build, Katie is, making mortgage payments. Oh, and Jane and her husband are making plans to retire early. So ask yourself, what do you want to be doing in 10 years? Paying for your house or seeing the world? We thought so. To learn how quickly you can become completely debt-free and building wealth with this amazing program, simply fill out the contact form on this page, and we'll rush this debt elimination and wealth creation information to you right away.